Hello everybody. So this is AI LifeOS. It's an operating system that helps you deal with your day and make it more easier and effective, and can help you organize your day and task more effectively and accurately. And so I have named my this AI as my this AI OS as Italiard. You can name it whatever you want. And now we have here an AI command center in which you can speak here. For example, if I ask it to plan my day or something else, you can try. So if I say just a hello for it, wait, hello, so it gives a response to me. You can even ask something else for that matter. Now here, this is a simple dashboard. I am showcasing you this just to see when you fill up your details how it might look. Here is today's task. Here you can also add, for example, I want to work out for 45 minutes. Then I can add here as well. Here you can also add, and okay, so this is it. Now we have AI planner. This is one of the AIs that are lined up. In this, what you can do is, this is a day planner. For example, if you need some help in which to organize your day, or to get a help what all tasks should be in what area of the time, or etc., you can use AI planner. For here you have these many options as you can choose from. For example, I want a balanced day with health and rest. So if I ask it to generate, see here the plan is generated. Here you can see I have morning workout, then I have breakfast, then I have DSA practice, I have work, I have system design study, AM reviews. You can add or delete according to it, and then here it shows the progress. You can add goals from here as well. And then I have weekly digest. In this, whatever the week like now this is the first day, it is a day streak 1, these many I've completed, these many are active goal, this much money I've spent. You made a progress in exploring LifeOS features and setting up your budget, but consistency in daily habits slipped. It is not the one that just showcases you the good thing, but it showcases you both the things that you have done and that are missing upon. And there's a pattern, then there's a quote, and then focus on the next week. Then we have a calendar. In this you can tick off and select the task. For example, like event, here you can just organize your events. Then if you want, you can see the week wise task, or you can see the day wise task, etc. Okay. Okay. And then now I have study hub. In this you can study on different topics. For example, plants I want to study upon. It doesn't only have to be technical stuff. You can study on any topic that you require of different domains. And then you can read on this, like plants are living organisms that play a crucial role in Earth's ecosystem, providing oxygen, food and shelter for various species. Every time it will give you the content, that is the summary of the topic, and then there are key points, and then you can take a quick quiz. So what is the primary mechanism for plants? I think photosynthesis. And then what is the main function of roots in plants? It is to absorb water and nutrients. What is part of photosynthesis? I think leaves. And then plants release vapor into the air. I don't know. Okay, transcription. I was not able to. Yeah, I scored 80 percentage. And then here is the AI tutor. In this, I can just rate my performance. Based on our discussion about plants, I'd rate your performance as excellent. And then what next topic I must study? See, like this you can ask follow-up questions, and you can make yourself more comfortable with it. Now we have done with the quiz. Now we also have something called as flashcards. We all know about flashcards. Flashcards are the thing where we write a topic and then we try to recall it, and then if we are not able to recall it, we flip the card to see the information and make us revise more. So in this case, for example, photosynthesis, now I'll recall it that it uses, like, leaves are used to absorb the rays in other things. So now if we click on it, then the process by which plants, algae and some bacteria convert light energy from sun into chemical energy in a form of glucose. So this is a type of a flashcard. Click to flip, chlorophyll, it is like that. Then like this you have roots, then you can also get the flashcards. For example, if I want to study operating systems, so now I can read on it same, then I can go to the, okay wait, okay, sorry, I didn't generate the information. Yes, see, operating systems, then I can take the quick quiz, and then there's the same flashcard, what is a kernel, then what is a shell, then what is a device driver, the system call, multi-threading. Like this I can take the full use of memory, like I can take a quiz, I can do a for revise and recall, I can use that, and again I can ask with a tutor and etc. Now this is a finance dashboard. This is the finance AI. For example, update the budget. Now when you will log into it, it will ask you your monthly income, your monthly income of what all you can think you have towards the end of the month. Then it is a monthly budget, how much you are willing to spend, and then set up my dashboard. So now wait, yeah, this is the one I had set myself as 25,000 at the spending limit, and then I have spent this much of amount, and this much of amount is remaining. Total budget used is 31%. Now here I can just add things. For example, I wanna, what, so suppose on health I wanna spend 160 rupees, so I can spend onto it and it will get added into the percentage. Now for example, I crypto, crypto, I want to add a category. So if I added the category crypto and I choose here, so for example I spend 1 rupee over there, so it will be added somewhere. Now here is the expenses. Here it will show you how, what, where all your money went and how much your money went. See, 1 rupee on crypto I just added on, and then here's the AI analysis. It will just give you whatever, some small information around it. Now this is goals and careers. This is a modified version of to-do list. In this you can add a new goal, you can click on these icons, and then for example, what I want to do, I want to, suppose earth, I want to learn LEE, I want to learn about Venice. So this is what, this is study purpose. So around what dates, suppose 12/7/2026, and then it's a medium level goal or a low level goal. So I can, here my goal is added, see here you can see, and then here I can click on these, how much percent I have completed. These are the different other tasks that I've added for data purposes. So here, then here, these are the completed ones. Here for example, give a roadmap for Quant Finance Expert. See here, this is like what all skills you need, this is how much week wise you need to know, and yeah, networking career, you can read up to it. For example, if I wanna learn Python, so here I can go and I can add a goal, like I wanna learn Python, and learn Python. So around what, some, suppose around 10th of July. I want to learn 26, and it's a high level goal, so I can go and add here. See, accordingly I can see to this and add to the goal according to the deadlines. This is very useful as you don't need to switch back to multiple dashboards. And this is analytics. This is just a visual representation of today's much I've done, how many goals I have completed. This is a radar, and this is my spending breakdown. This is my task, and this is what all topics I study and how much I scored. For example, I'm very excellent in plans, but I'm lacking in computer networks, or I'm lacking in database management. So I can go on and revise that topic. So this is the profile. In this, you don't, your API key is not gonna show to me. It is your own personal API keys, it is your own personal information. I have no such database into me that I can log into and see what all information you're putting it in. So here is just the name. I can edit the name. For example, I can name it Chaitali, and I can name it my AI. For example, I've named it this. And then what is my primary goal? For example, Google Step internship. For example, cloud architect. Cloud architect. I can save these changes. And then this is the settings. Here